Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you or telling you my review of this JOAH Escapade palette, and this one is in Nudist Colony. I do have past videos that I did with the other two palettes. If you're interested, go see my playlist. Yeah. But yeah, I really love this eyeshadow palette so far that I have played with it today. All the colors worked out pretty good. I don't think I have any complaints. The shimmers, I do have to use some setting spray that you'll see me doing just to wet the brush so the shimmers will be more pigmented. But anyways, this is the eyeshadow palette. And the first color I'm going to go into is the color Barely There. And I'm going to put this on the brow bone area and also on the, like, not the inner corners of the eyes, but yeah, I don't really know. Like, basically, it's just a starter type of color. I'll be, blending other shades on top of it, but it's a very beautiful color, and I love it. It's like really close to my skin tone. The other nudes, well, okay, so I do think this one is pretty close of a nude to the, let's see, what was that other one called that it is close to? The Amazonian one. I believe this nude is really close to that nude. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, no, it's not that close. This one is more, got more of a tan color to it. Okay, so this color that you see me using now is called Necky. And it is going to be the crease color, but I'm going to put it on the lid just so I can buff it out and not have any like sparse spaces. I normally do this, and I already knew I was going to have to use a spray with the shimmers, judging from the other two palettes, and that's why I did this. And the next color I'm going into is that dark color, which is called Earth. And like you see here, this one is a shimmer. I really wish they would do 3 mattes and 3 shimmers, but beggars can't be choosers. This one, it worked better than the other two. Well, maybe, I don't know. The lavender eyeshadow palette was my least favorite out of the 3 as far as how it worked, but the colors was beautiful. All of the colors are beautiful. So this dark shade that I'm putting on the inner corner today, it differs from the other two because this is more of a neutral tone. The Amazonian one has more of a orangey undertone, and the lavender filled one has more of a mauvey undertone to the browns. But they're all shimmers. And that's what I would choose to change out of all 3 palettes, was the darkest shade to be a matte instead of a shimmer. But it did really good, as you can tell. I really couldn't tell it was a shimmer too much after blending it out. But I really love the final look, and that's all that really matters, right? Right. Alright, now we're going to go into this beach color, which is a shimmer. It's almost like, I don't know, I wouldn't call this beach necessarily. That's a dark sand. It's like a very dark sandy color. Very dark. But yeah, I'm just packing this on in the center of that eye. So yeah, and then I'm going to be blending it out with my fingers. And the brush. I go back and forth. I'm just trying to pack on the pigment because I think this one is the star of the show, other than the inner corner, which you'll see in 1 second. The inner corner is everything. So the inner corner I am going to be using is this color called Sun Glow, and it's so beautiful, and it blends in with other shades really good. If I had to pick the best quality eyeshadow palette out of this eyeshadow, it would be this Sun Glow color. But all of them do pretty good. And like I said before, I love the overall look. And the next product I am using is my very used and loved eyeliner. This is the JOAH Make Her Jealous Gel Eyeliner in the color Black. I really love this. And then I'm going to use the JOAH Line Up Liquid Eyeliner. It's a felt tip eyeliner, and as you can tell, it's very easy to use, and I absolutely love it. And the next thing is not a JOAH product, but it is one of my love and trues, is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And this is all I'm going to be using on my lashes pretty much, because I'm trying to do a more easier, you know, for you guys that doesn't like the falsies. Me personally, I wear falsies pretty much every day, just because I think it wakens my eyes, but I understand a lot of y'all don't have the patience or the time to practice to learn how to do them. But I do this method with my mascara when every day, even with lashes. I use the heat from my fingers to kind of curl the lashes, because I don't know about you, but eyelash curlers don't do shit for me. Now I'm going to go in with this fill-in free color to do my lower lash line, because it is the last color in the eyeshadow palette, so it goes good with the other colors. I didn't really have anywhere else to put it, but it is a beautiful color. I really liked it. I loved all of these shadows. I say overall, this palette and all three is great. I will say the Amazonian one is my favorite out of the three, as far as how well it works. But then this one is my second favorite, Nudist Colony. And then Lavender Fields is my least favorite, but like I said, totally good. I love them all. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this review of the JOAH Escapade Palette in Nudist Colony and my mini reviews of the other two newer eyeshadow palettes from JOAH. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time, buddies. Bye!